Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money to my bank account. So if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is click on send money. And then right here, you can select right here, where do you want to send? So let's select right here my own country. Then right now what we're going to do is we fill in right here how much money we want to transfer. And then right here, we can select right here pay with, where you can also select bank transfer, credit card, but we want to transfer it to the bank account. So what we're going to do right now is just ideal right here is fine. And then we do right here add recipient. And then we do right here add. And then we do bank details. Then we select right here on myself. And then we fill in right here your account name of your account holder and fill in right here the IBAN. Then after that, we click on continue. Then you will get a review where you can check all the details. And then after that, you can click on pay. But keep in mind, if you go back, let's go one more back. There we go. If we send 100 euros, I get 98.46 euros on my account. So keep that in mind. This is how you can transfer money to your bank account. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.